Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the essentials, own a port and free fleet slot, and appoint a general with commerce skills. Place a ship at the port and select a trade route. This matters because route length and node value determine income and risk. Once done, confirm available trade contracts and seasonally fluctuating prices, and make sure to avoid ports under blockade. You want immediate income, so move on to assigning routes and monitoring host-faction relations to keep trade profitable. Now set the route. On the campaign map, select your trade ship and pick a destination port or sea tile that offers the best node value. Choose shorter, high-value hops when possible, because shorter routes reduce travel time and risk. Make sure the destination is friendly or at least neutral to avoid seizures, and check maintenance costs and patrol icons. These affect net profit. If you see enemy ships nearby, reposition or escort. This prevents catastrophic loss of goods and income. Finish by actively managing your trade network. Review income each turn and tweak routes to optimize profit. If piracy or hostile actions occur, send an escort or use diplomacy to secure ports. You can also bribe minor factions to keep routes safe. Replace any lost ships promptly and reassign competent generals to critical lanes. If a route suddenly collapses, inspect diplomatic status and nearby fleets, resolve blockades, or declare limited action to restore trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.